Jamaican man arrested after stabbing incident at Burger King in Florida. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Jamaican man was arrested and charged after reportedly stabbing two people at a Burger King near Coastal Palm Boulevard in Florida on Thursday, August the 13th. Shaquille Williams, who was reportedly in the United States illegally, has been charged with 2 counts of aggravated battery. According to reports, Williams was inside the Burger King ordering food when an argument began over his inability to pay for the food he was ordering. The argument reportedly led to Williams being approached by an employee who was attempting to calm him down. Williams reportedly stepped on the employee's foot, slapped her in the face, removed a knife from his pocket and stabbed her in her back. As other employees reportedly intervened to break up the altercation, a second employee was reportedly cut by Williams' knife. He reportedly fled the scene but was later arrested by the Bay County Sheriff's Office. Williams is currently being held at Bay County Jail by the United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE). This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.